Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 5th grade concept of recognizing additive and multiplicative patterns. This is Standard 5.4D in the great state of Texas, and we're using item number 23, which is a new item type called drag and drop of the 2023 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we've got drag and drop here. So we need to move the correct answer to each box, right? And you notice that some of these answers can only be moved to certain boxes, right? So the increased can't be moved to that first box. Anything the increase or multiplied by, and the multiplicative or additive can only be moved to that first box. Okay, so we need to complete the sentence, but these are the only two answers that can go in the first box. These are the only four answers that can go in the second box. And you have to obviously answer both boxes. If you try to answer with just one, it will give you that error message. So it looks kind of big, but really there's just two choices for the first, four choices for the second. All right, so let's open up our graph draw here. What do we got looking here? We've got an X and a Y, okay? Just basic table. So something is happening to X. It's turning from 6 to 24, turning from 9 to 27, turning from 15 to 13, turning from 26 to 44. All right, so X is increasing, okay? And so there's really two things that we look at when we see going from left to right, from X to Y. It's increasing to become Y. So how do we increase a number? Well, the options are, addition or multiplication. All right, so let's just look at those. Those make numbers bigger. Division, subtraction, right? Usually make numbers smaller as long as you're subtracting or dividing by positive whole numbers. So we've got addition. Well, 6 plus a missing number here is going to equal 24, right? We got a few choices there. We can either count on, we can kind of break down that 24, or, we could always subtract, right? 24, and then take away 6, right? That is going to be 18, right? Another option would be, let's just kind of break down that 6 into a, 2 and 4, right? So now I can just take that 24, well, a 24 minus 4, that's easy. I can do that mentally. That's 20, and I need to take another 2 away. That's 18. Either way, we're 18 away. Now, here's the question. Is it a plus 18? Okay, so let's see if it works on the other. 9 plus 18. Does 18 plus 9 equal 27? Yes. We need this 15 and 18 to make, 18 plus 15, make 33. 3, 3. Yes, works. And then 26 and 18 need to make 44. It's 14. Yeah, okay. So this plus 18 is looking pretty good. The other option here would be, it'd be a plus 18. We could technically multiply by 4, right? So it would be 6 times what equals 24, right? That's a basic fact. That's multiplied by 4. But look what happens here. 9 times 4 does not make 27. 15 times 4 makes 60. I don't even know what 26 times 4 makes. A little bit over 100, but it's not going to be 44. Okay, so it is an addition fact, and it is a plus 18. So now let's see our answers here. The relationship shown is additive or multiplicative. All right, we talked about how it's additive because we're adding 18, because each x coordinate is increased by. Okay, increased means add. Multiplied by is obviously multiply. So plus 18 is going to be that increased by 18. And that's how we get full credit on this 2-point problem.